everybody, it's Jenny. I wanted to do a flip through of January through March in my 3 happy planners. I am using my mini happy planner for a gratitude tracker, gratitude planner. And then I am using my classic for my ride or die, my everything, my whole life is in here. And then I am using a big for memory planning. So I'll start with my classic and then I will work my way backwards through memory planning and gratitude. How about we do that? Okay, so we'll take a look and we will start with January, of course. Now we are in that first week of January. So exciting. Lots of good stuff. Oh my gosh, I loved this rainbow week. It was just perfect with all of the really cute happy planner stickers. The first time I touched my beautiful favorite color palette, which is the lavender, the soft aqua, and the pink, and it's just so super cute, and who would have known that would have ended up being my favorite. I absolutely loved these stickers. They were from Plantasia something on Etsy, and it's Peter Pan themed, so I just sort of did everything all around that. Now we're into February. And I'm going to take this note page out. I didn't realize it was still in there. And this was based on a Mambi kit, so like a scrapbooking kit. So a few of these little elements came from that. And so then I just planned around that with other elements. I also really loved this one, yellow and hot pink, and then with the tiniest bit of red thrown in there too. And I just think it turned out really awesome and I super loved it. All of the really fun Doodlebug elements. And then this super cute happy planner, silly me, Harry Potter kit from the Standard Essential on Etsy. And then my last month is March for right now, and let's see, Alma Designs. I loved all of these floral stickers. I thought they were super cute, and so I just sort of planned around those, and then a few from Hey Danny Co as well. Another rainbow week. I feel like I should do one like once every other month, you know, like I don't want to go crazy, but they are my favorite. There is that wonderful color palette again, and I stamped on cardstock, colored it with Copic markers, and then cut them out and added them here. Another floral week with floral stamps from, what's the company called? Paper Smooches. There you go. And then my very last week with sort of a play on that same color palette from before, the aqua, the purple, and the pink, and I just love it. And I loved the little addition of the bunny down here for Easter. And then also I would be remiss if I didn't share the way I decorated this layout, which was just with a bunch of alphabet stickers being kind of crazy and fun. So that was my classic happy planner. Now I'll just go ahead and move into my gratitude since it's right here, and then we'll do the memory planning last. Now, the thing I want to say about the gratitude planner is that this is a totally no pressure. So if we get to a place where I didn't do it, it's not a freak out. Like, I'm totally cool with it. So as you can see, I had a rough getting started. I was actually traveling this week, so I didn't get started there. And then, let's see. Okay, so then obviously we had the same thing here because we were traveling at the end of that week and then the beginning of this week. But then I did get started here. So then just added a little bit of washi tape, which I actually felt like was just absolutely beautiful and perfect. See, just minimal decorations and then adding a few words. And that's it. And then keeping track of things that I am grateful for right at that time, and sometimes adding a quote as well. I'm sticking to not all happy planner stickers. Oops, see, this is what I'm talking about, like a week where I just didn't make time for it, and that's okay. I'm not stressing about things like that. So as you can see here, like 2 different, but that's it. This was kind of a rough week for me, so I did not, a lot going on and a lot of different stuff, so I was not able to make that happen. So fun, right? I love being able to add the florals and all of that really fun stuff, and then still decorating for things like Easter here as well. So that is the first 3 months in my gratitude planner. And then the last is my big old memory planner. And this is just a regular big happy planner. And I will include throughout the year different pages from happy memory keeping, but the base is this. Now I went with the same black and white that I used in my classic because I just loved that, and I love black and white anyway. So many fun stickers from the American Crafts One Canoe 2 collection. I just loved this. It's so much fun and so cute. Most of this is from a Studio Calico kit. Lots of fun happy planner goodies here. Already into February. How does that happen? Okay, so then this was also another Studio Calico kit, and this is how I had to, part of the week anyway, was traveling home to deal with some health issues my mom had. Back to black and white, but I also included lots of pops of rose gold, and I really loved how that turned out a lot. Valentine's Day, which was so fun. One of my favorite things to do is punch little things and add them here. So like the Valentines that my son exchanged at school. That was super fun. Now this was again a all black week. I loved the really graphic feel of this. So this is a kit from Feed Your Craft on Etsy. So like these were her 3x4 cards, but I trimmed them down using the Happy Planner punch. Okay, so now we'll go through March. This was mostly a Studio Calico kit, a little bit of additions here and there of some stickers, but mostly elements from a Studio Calico kit. Lots of fun happy planner, and I had really fun with this sticker, or this photo, I'm sorry. It was a 4x6, so it's really just half of a 4x6. It's sort of like a panoramic picture. Lots of fun green for this particular week, and again, another panoramic photo. Really fun. And then also some more of that One Canoe 2. I loved all the little hexagons and all that stuff. And then this really, really cute happy planner layout. So yeah, that is it for the first quarter of the year. It's hard to imagine that it's already over, but I hope you enjoyed this little look through, and I will be back with you real soon. Thank you.